¿Qué le pasa a estos guiris?
Yo no entiendo, ¿esta gente no conoce a Gopher o qué?
Ya, vamos a acercarnos.
Vamos a acercarnos.
Hey, do you know about Gopher?
Gopher? What is Gopher?
Gopher is a business that makes your travel easier.
And where is it?
Yes, they are doing a presentation here.
Stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. A shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws